In this part, we will cover JavaScript language as is, without environment-specific tweaks, and we will continue using browser environment for demo. In this video, I will show you 3 powerful functions of JavaScript: alert, prompt, and confirm. We already used alert and we know how it works. What I want to mention is that these functions are not very popular, and in JavaScript right now they are not using very well because of you can implement the same functionality with HTML JavaScript model windows, and it will be looks like more natural and more beautiful because of these windows. They are browser specific and you can't customize them. You can change the view of these windows. So let's start from our favorite, it's alert. Alert shows a message and pause the script execution until we press OK. So let's take a look on alert. We see this window, we see title, we can change this title, and we see hello. And we can click just OK. As I mentioned before, alert will stop execution your script. So let's imagine that we have our script and we want, for example, and another sample. Let's try. We see that browser shows this model window and console log is shown just after we pressed OK. So let me show you this way. Let's reload. And we see that it's nothing. When we press OK, then we see just hello world message. So that's why it's not very popular function, because it stops executing everything. So you can block user on the page. The next one is prompt. Title we can add. So we see that the same this page says hello Max, and we can enter some text. How we can use it? This function returning this value, for example, let. So we can enter our any number, save, and then in the result we will have this value. And also the second parameter of this function prompt, so we see that we can enter name and we will have some default value. We can change it or save. Let's save it. And we have the value user entered. So we can skip this second default value for this function, but in Internet Explorer we need put at least empty string, because of it will show you undefined as a default value. So be careful with Internet Explorer. And the last function I want to show you is confirm. So confirm, here we put some question. And we will see result. It's model window with the 2 buttons. Text you put and 2 buttons, OK and cancel. So if you want to get some result, you can press OK, sure, and in the result you will have result. The result will be boolean value. It true if you press OK and false if you pressed cancel. So let's try again. and we can press cancel, and we will have a result. It's false. So let's wrap up. We covered 3 browser-specific functions. They are just in browsers, and it's alert showing message, prompt showing message asking some input text from user, and confirm, which shows 2 buttons. It's OK and cancel, and it returns true or false result. All these methods are model windows. They pause script execution and don't allow the visitor to interact with the rest of the page until the window has been dismissed. So that's why they are not very popular, because we don't like when user is blocked. User should have interaction with the page and can do anything what he wants. Also, there are 2 limitations shared by all these methods above. The first one, exact location of the model window is determined by browser. Usually it's in the center, we can't change it, and the exact look of window also depends on browser. We can't modify it. In different browsers it will look a bit different. But these commas are very simple, and it's a price we need to pay.